Welcome to your dream home, brought to you by American Dream Realty, where dream homes come true. All brick ranch on 2.35 acres. This lovely home offers 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, formal living room or office. Kitchen and family room have an open floor plan perfect for entertaining. Covered carport with fenced backyard complete with electric gate opener and 10 by 10 storage building. The land extends beyond the fenced area. Plenty of room for family and friends. Home also has an alarm system and camera system. Won't last long. Submit your offer today.